Section 4. Maximum Value, Minimum Budget.
Let's talk numbers, because this managed solution is perfectly tailored for tight budgets. Astra delivers the most affordable, top-tier service on the market, hands down. To construct your modern, flexible website, it's $95,443.30. For an entire year of that premium hosting and the hands-off maintenance we were just talking about, it's only $29,115. Add in your domain fees for $2,500, and your grand total is $127,058.18 Jamaican dollars. For an entire year of fully managed digital infrastructure, a custom-built website, and a dedicated IT partner, that is an absolutely incredible bargain. You are getting immense value for your money here.
And if you're sitting there thinking that wasn't enough, consider the massive bonuses that push this deal right over the edge at absolutely no extra cost. You get backups and staging environments to safely test your changes before they go live. You get basic SEO monitoring to stay super competitive. Your site leverages global data centers so it loads instantly anywhere in the world. It includes e-commerce features if you're ready to sell online. And what if you already have a site? Well, they provide hassle-free automatic website migration completely for free.